I'm back. I have no real reason why I haven't posted a video in a long time, and I have no reason what the YouTube algorithms are doing, but my subscriber count has gone up in the last few weeks, so thanks to you guys, I'm going to start making some videos again. So I recently moved to a new place, and I have a roommate, and he snores really loud. And I'll run a little bit. I'll run a little clip. Yeah, and so it was awful my first night, and so I was looking into solutions. So I tried earplugs. I tried this like moldable earplug that like fitted into your ear, and while they were good, they didn't block out all the sound, and so I could still hear it in the background while I was sleeping, and so it wasn't great because I could still hear him. And so I was looking into listening to music while I slept. So I went onto Amazon and I bought these Maxrock headphones, had them 2-day shipped because I was like, all right, I need to get a good night's sleep. And, you know, they work well. If you're here searching for that, then my review is, yeah, they're good. I don't know what else to say. They sound good, they have good sound quality, they have good build quality. But the annoying thing was I had to keep them plugged into my phone, which, you know, I wanted to charge overnight rather than have plugged in my phone, and I was always worried that I was gonna, you know, sleep on my phone wrong and break it. So I was looking for a wireless solution, and I went onto AliExpress and found the GOOJODOQ, I don't know how you pronounce them, wireless earbuds. And they also come in wired headphones. They have a USB-C kind and then a 3.5mm jack. And so I bought these. For price comparison, the Maxcool from Amazon were like $13, and then these were also $13. Took a little bit longer to ship, but you know, it's wireless, Bluetooth, so I prefer these over the other ones. So my review kind of for all of these headphones is that they're all great. They have a small, little low-profile headphone you stick in your ear. Everybody that I showed these to, that I was like, oh yeah, these are sleeping headphones, showed them to them, and they, you know, laid their head on the side, and they were like, oh yeah, can't feel anything. Because with most earbuds, if you try to like lay on your side, then you have that ear pressure. And so they all have this same headphone style, the Maxcool and the GOOJODOQ ones. Sound quality, they all sound pretty similar. If you're willing to wait the 2 weeks, I would say go with these ones. If you want them right away, go with the Maxcool ones. Specifically these ones, they say that the battery lasts up to 18 hours. I've actually had to go longer than that. I've been able to get like 3 or 4 nights of sleep out of it. So if that's a testament to them, I guess it's a good one. One of the problems with it is they don't have the removable tips like a lot of the earbuds do. So if you have larger ear canals, then these may not actually work for you, just because you may see them coming out in the middle of the night. The annoying thing is a little bit that if you toss your head, or if you like turn your head in the middle of the night and you have it plugged in, then sometimes this gets caught on the pillow. I don't know how you sleep, but I toss and turn and this gets caught on the pillow, and the earbud will sometimes come out in the middle of the night, and then I'll wake up and just throw it back in. But you'll want to make sure that you listen to some sort of music that is able to block out the sound. These don't have any active noise cancellation, so it will be kind of like the earplug experience. But the difference is you'll have sound to drown out the snoring or whatever noise you're trying to block out in the middle of the night. If you don't like the idea of Bluetooth, then they also make, you know, wired ones that were like $3 or $4. And so I'll post a link to all of these in the description below. I just wanted to, you know, give you guys a quick review. Sorry I haven't posted in a long time. And, you know, let me know if you purchase these, what you think of them. And thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more value content. I don't know what I'm doing with this channel. I'm just trying to review stuff from AliExpress, I guess, or value stuff. I don't know. Like and subscribe, be sure to share, and that's it. Let me know if you have any questions.